This is a Hampton Bay Minuet 3 that I installed in here, along with the Graton 2 over there. It's 36 inches, where the other one was 32 with the Minuet 2. And it's a pretty ugly fan, I will admit. It's got ugly brackets, ugly ventless motor. The blades were colored on the other side, but they were reflecting all the colors on the ceiling, so I painted over them white. Anyway. But all things considered, it's not that bad of a fan. The motor size for, you know, this being a 36-inch fan is not bad. And the blades are plywood, not MDF. And the light kit that this came with, which it is installed without, but it did come with one. It's a standard size socket, not candelabra like these other fans. Anyway, 3 speeds, and let's show them. The kind of pull chain this comes with also, instead of this little wooden plastic thingy, came with the regular metal Hampton Bay thing, but I took that one from the Graton 2, so that way they just matched. Small thing, but you know, whatever. Anyway, like I said, this Minuet 3, you know, is really ugly. It is. I like the Minuet 2. I like the Minuet, but this just is not nice at all. So it's not made by SMC, so that's probably why it's so different. Where the other ones were. But anyway, there you go.